Hello, this is a small video how to unlock video in motion at the new Mercedes E-Class, the latest model. So I currently have here video. I start motor, engage drive, and as soon as I'll start driving, you see it becomes locked due to the Daimler limitation. So what I will do now, I will use this OBD2 plug, simple plug, and it will unlock video in motion at that car. So I will try. Okay, now it start. So ignition on, then I will plug it to the diagnostic socket. Okay, it is not easy. Okay, now it's plugged. You see, it immediately shows successful, video in motion is on. Now it will reboot the command, and then we will try how it will work. So now command rebooting, then we will see. So command rebooted. Then we will have again video. Okay, reads USB device. It's not the fastest command in the world, definitely. I see. Here is. Okay. Let's do full screen. Okay. Start engine. And then I drive. Okay, let's continue driving. We continue driving, but video in motion is still okay. See? Now it's totally okay. And so after this test, I can remove the plug. You see now? So, hope you like it. Enjoy.